so we did one version, now we're going to do the opposite. So we did this already. This is up and down. We did this, now we're going to change direction. Down and up the outside. Now this is foreign to anybody that does Tai Chi. You never go in this direction. But we're doing it here. So water, inhale up. Exhale. That means when we switch to right and left arrow and bow, we're also going to be doing the opposite. Don't worry about trying to memorize it. Just follow the clips. So on the way up, every cell goes up. On the way down, every cell goes down. Thinks down, just like in preparation meditation from Mind Light Ne Gong. Blue, up. You can't do it wrong. You can only not do it. Looks a lot easier than it is. All right, now we're going to do this way. Remember before we did this. Now we're doing this way. So is there sucking in? Of course there is. You're sucking in all the suck angles and all the suck sides and surfaces, and you're blowing out all the out surfaces. Inhale. Are you still squeezing your sphincters? Of course you are. You still keep it down, Tien? Of course you are. So inhale, suck in here, blow out here. Inhale, suck, but don't make a structure out of it. It's water. So if your body feels like moving a little unusual than normal, let it go. Change the sides. So when you practice big wave meditation, high reps, low variation. Don't be changing sides every 20 seconds. Do one until you did enough, then change until you did enough, then change until you did enough. Suck in here and out. This is not the same as rolling hands. It looks like it. This is a mind training practice. Every cell goes backwards. Every cell goes forward. This is important for your Tai Chi. It'll smooth out the edges. And forward. I know it feels the opposite of what you're used to. It is. So my advice for practicing this is to do first clip, second clip, first clip, second clip, first clip, second clip. Every cell goes up, float, it's water. Every cell goes down. And you're going to be very surprised how you feel when you stop practicing. That's when it hits you, what you've just done to yourself. So, review. I got 1. I got 2. I got 1. I got 2. I got 1. I got 2, and then end in condensing 2. All right, now go back to the beginning and do it again.